Here's how to remove APK files from your Android phone in seconds. If you used an APK file to install an app, the first thing you should do is uninstall that app. To do this, simply long press the app icon and tap on App Info from the pop-up menu. In the App Info page, select Uninstall. Once the app has been removed, you can move on to deleting the APK file itself. For this, open the Files app on your phone. Use the search option to view the APK files saved on your device. Now, long press the APK file you want to remove, then tap on the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Choose Move to Trash to send the file to the trash folder. Once the APK file has been moved to the trash, go back and open the trash folder. Now select the APK file you just removed and delete this file from the trash folder. This permanently removes the APK file from your phone, and that's it.